afternoon from AlphaCars. My name is Tom, coming to you from our Northampton location, and today we're going to take a look at this 2016 GMC Sierra. This Sierra is showing just under 53,000 miles. If you'd like to see a high-resolution, detailed photo set, please reference the listing at alphacars.com. There you will also find a free included CarFax report verifying that this vehicle has an accident and damage-free history. You'll also find some technical data in regards to the remaining brake pad life, the remaining tire life, and readings from our paint depth gauge on each individual panel on the vehicle. That way there's no guessing whether this car has had paint work done or not. You can see the numbers right there in front of you. But today I'll give you a quick condition overview and show you some of the most notable features. We'll start here on the passenger side. You can see these nice wheels, great shape, absolutely no curb rash to be found. And that stainless finish really matches this stone blue metallic paint nicely. I love the way that the two colors play with each other. Now, looking at the stone blue metallic paint, you'll find this awesome metal content in the paint, gives it this just tremendous shine in the sunlight. Especially in trucks in this segment, it's nice to have a spec that really jumps out at you, and this is a wonderful example right in front of me here. Again, showing you this front wheel, no curb rash, wonderful shape, and the tire has plenty of life there. See the running board, chrome over here looks very nice, shining in the sunlight this afternoon. You'll also notice the Z71 badge there on the fender. That package relates to a few useful off-road features, off-road oriented features rather, such as these front tow hooks here in the bumper. You also have some upgraded shocks, as well as a shield over the or under the front transfer case, as well as various other off-road oriented features. Here at the front fascia, you'll find these headlight lenses in beautiful shape, as well as this big chrome grille. Really gives this truck an aggressive front end, and it is super clean, really contributes to this awesome styling on the GMCs here. Again, another awesome headlight lens there, and you'll find the chrome on the front bumper is in beautiful shape, shining in the sunlight. Moving on to the driver's side, again, you'll find a wheel in perfect shape. You will find the running board over here just has a few bits of the chrome flaking off just slightly. Moving on to the rear wheel. Again, the most minor curb rash just there. That is the extent to which you'll find any issue with the wheels on this truck. Moving to the tailgate. Find that beautiful blue paint shining. See that all the badging is intact and in great shape, as well as the chrome on the rear bumper looks just perfect. Beautiful. So next up, I'm going to move on to the interior of the vehicle, give you a quick tour there, and then we'll fire it up. Alright, moving on to the interior, you'll find black cloth seating. You'll find the bolsters are in excellent shape. This is generally where you're going to find the most wear anywhere in the interior from constant sliding in and out. Pardon that lens flare there. And you'll find this bolster is in awesome shape, as well as the thigh bolster as well. Looking at the passenger seat, you can see that it is in very nice shape as well. There we go. Just perfect. You will find a nice large center console with tons of storage space, a nice leather wrapped armrest, a few cup holders, and it folds right into a front bench seat if necessary. As I close the door here, you'll find a lot of nice stitched leather, nice soft touch materials with that nice dark wood, kind of a luxurious feel to it. I like the way the materials feel. Everything you touch feels nice. I like the stainless finish on the steering wheel. It all contributes to a very nice interior. You can see the IntelliLink system firing up just there. I do have the key in my pocket. I'll fire it up. Please note this truck does have a remote start system and it works flawlessly. I'll actually show you that at the end of the video. Fires right up. No issue. You can see the gauge sweep and all the lights. Those are going to turn off in just a moment. There we go. Clear that warning there for the ice. As you can see, cold start there. Fires right up, no problems. You do have tons of different menus you can look at through your gauge cluster screen. You also have a nice infotainment screen. I'm going to turn down the fan so you can hear me. Heated seats on both front seats. They work wonderfully, as is very common with these American cars. Awesome heated seats, awesome climate control. Nice big glove box as well, and a nice leather wrap dash with some nice stitching work, all intact, looking perfect. Column shifter with manual shift as well. It's just a very nice place to be. So next up, I'm going to open up the hood, let you hear the engine running off of a cold start. I'm moving up to the Nose of the vehicle, looking under the hood, you find the V8 idling quite happily. I'll let you hear it uninterrupted for a moment. And as you walk around the engine bay with me, you'll find tons of clean plastics. Everything just looks awesome under the hood. Show you from all angles. There's nothing to hide here. Everywhere, just very clean, clearly well cared for throughout its life. Very clean engine bay. And a smooth engine with just plenty of power to get you down the street. Plenty of towing capacity. This is a solid engine. It's been tried and true for many years through the Chevy and GMC platform. Goes down the hood, and I can show you the front fascia here with the headlights on. Oh, headlights are off. Alright, pardon that blunder, but now I have the headlights on for you. If you see any flickering on camera, that's just an illusion, as the camera detects the light differently than the human eye. To the human eye, it looks just perfect, and it's kind of a cool design. I thought you might want to see that. Gives it a nice aggressive presence going down the road. So next up, let's move on to the rear seats. Take you right with me here. You'll find a rear bench seat in awesome shape. No discoloration, no issue. You do have the rear window in between that slides right open as well. Also, the seats easily just lift right up, and there you'll find our 4 all-weather mats that go with this vehicle. Both seats lift up just the same. You can see the underside is very clean on all of these seats. And you still get to have that nice stitched leather door panel with that wood accent. It's a nice place to be in this truck. Also have a nice large bed in the back with some regular wear and tear, but nothing out of the ordinary for a vehicle of this class. Okay, so as promised, I've turned the vehicle off here. I'm just gonna lock it once and hold down the remote start button. Fires right up without a problem. So if you have any further questions regarding this GMC Sierra, please reference the listing at alphacars.com. There you're going to find all of the necessary contact information. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.